At the time the agreement was signed, the defendants had literally been kidnapped, and they had been held against their will for 2 to 3 weeks at a secured residential compound that is, I don't want to say often, but has been used more than once by the plaintiff for that purpose, to restrain and hold somebody. At the residential compound, the plaintiff, and it's important, it's the plaintiff doing these things on the subject of unclean hands and duress. The plaintiff created a pervasive atmosphere of intimidation and restraint. There was the constant presence of security guards. They could go nowhere. They couldn't leave their quarters without a security guard. Security fences with motion detectors, locked gates, extensive video surveillance. Wherever you go there, you're under surveillance by video. And of course, they were under orders not to leave and not to be allowed to leave. There was an ever-present threat of violence and mental and emotional abuse and degradation of the worst sort. Over the previous several months, we're talking about the year 2007, Ms. Cook was beaten. She was tortured. She was degraded beyond belief. She was made to watch the torture and beatings and degradation of others, and not just one or two.